Hello! Why not do a little renovation vlog? I'm standing in my kitchen. Yeah, standing in my kitchen, and I've been thinking we're gonna tick off something on my kitchen list, you know? And that is that we are going to paint all of this just like my bathroom. And I thought I can paint some more and not just the already gray parts. So I had a thought. Why not paint up here as well as up here on that side, and then slowly turning like all of this wall kind of grayish, and then slowly kind of end around here somewhere. And I've been thinking about this like all day, yesterday and today, and about how I'm gonna do it. And now I'm going to do it. I'm gonna leave this wall white for now, as well as mostly that wall and that wall. I was thinking about doing the whole room, and then I regret it. So yeah. So I started without consulting you or getting you along. So I took off these two doors. They are here. There they are. And I'm gonna get rid of 5 more. And then start taping everything away. And then I'm gonna sleep. I don't know what time it is. Hold on. It's 8:40 p.m. So I'm gonna do that and then sleep pretty much. And then get back to you tomorrow when we start doing this. I know it's a whole process to do this. I can link the video that I did on my poll, because I have a poll. It's pretty much the same technique, and it's on my Instagram. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I link it down below as well. I'm gonna do that, and I have to do it today or tonight, as well as tomorrow, and that's it. Because on Saturday I'm gonna have friends over, so let's do it. I'm gonna put you down and restore the peace. Okay, now I have taped around pretty much everywhere. Focus, please, yes. Taped up pretty much everywhere. The only thing left to do in here is pretty much paint. I was too short to tape up there. Because it's like 2.5 meters high, which is a little bit higher than normal, and I'm only 160 centimeters, and with this one I'm not gonna make it to 1 meter, like at all. So, whoa, to 2 meters, 1 meter, what? So yeah, this is what I've done today. See you tomorrow. Whoa! Hi. Again. It's Friday. Whoa! Best day of the week. Friday. And yes, I have the same clothes on today. Call me a mess. It's fine. Everything's fine. Yes. Okay, it's 10 p.m. No. Good morning. It's 10 a.m. And I've done as much work as I can do for now. So, let's start painting. I grabbed all my paint and the brushes. I'm gonna use a sponge. And I realized I don't have that much gray paint that I need. So I'm thinking about starting with everything that's gray in here. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, all of this gray thing, and not do, oh god, up there or there just yet, or on that wall. I will see how much color I have left to do that. And then work calls. I see you there. I'm done. And it wasn't even in focus. Hello. Done. Whoa. I'm kinda done. I painted everything that it's gray, kinda like a concrete-y feeling. And I have a lot of paint left, which is great. So, I'm thinking after I have put some food in my stomach and showered, yeah, so I'm thinking about actually start painting above all of this, above that, as well as like right there, and see how far I come. Probably won't paint that wall that much, but you know, painting it so it goes like that. Makes sense? We'll see. But I need to eat. And I need to be fast because my paint's gonna dry. No, it's not. I have plastic over it. It's fine. So, I see you when I'm stuffed with food and a bit cleaner. So, Last time you saw me was about 7 hours ago. I'm showered, I'm all nice and clean, I've eaten, and I have had a couple hours of thinking. I'm happy with how it looks now. I'm not sure, well, I'm second guessing myself about the decision of making this part the same gray as well as above, right there. I'm not really sure how I want to do it, and I don't want to paint it if I'm not sure. So this will be probably part 1 of this painting kitchen thingy. This will be part 1. It will be a part 2. I just don't know when it will be up, because I'm not gonna film it yet. I have friends coming over tomorrow, as you have seen in my prepping video, makeover video. So yeah, so look out for a part 2 on this, because it's gonna happen. I don't want a white kitchen. So yeah, now you will have to see me put all the doors back and clean up my mess. Let's go. And new videos every Monday and sometimes on Friday.